Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Oreo fudge cake full guide. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees F, crush Oreos, and line a pan with parchment. Measure flour, sugar, cocoa, and baking powder into a bowl, then mix wet ingredients separately. Fold crumbs into batter gently to keep texture dense and fudgy. Pour into the pan, bake until a toothpick shows moist crumbs, cool completely before frosting, and serve. Start by sifting dry ingredients to avoid lumps and ensure even rise. Use room temperature eggs and milk for smoother batter. Melt butter with chocolate for rich flavor, but cool slightly before adding eggs to prevent scrambling. Stir in crushed Oreos at the end to keep chunks intact. Batter should be thick but pourable. Adjust with a splash of milk. Bake evenly and rotate pan halfway for uniform color and texture. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like for more easy baking tutorials. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort during long kitchen sessions. I love the fit and durability, perfect when you're standing stirring fudge for 30 minutes. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider grabbing a pair for yourself. Now let's get back to the video. Make a smooth Oreo buttercream by creaming butter, then slowly adding powdered sugar and a pinch of salt. Fold in finely crushed Oreos for flavor and speckled texture. Chill the frosting briefly if it feels too soft, about 10 minutes, then spread a thin crumb coat and chill again. Apply the final thick layer, decorate with halved Oreos and crumbs, and refrigerate for an hour to set so slices hold clean edges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.